That's why there's a problem. Yes, that is why you are always
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes, please. The supplementary cost list for judgment, item number 6.
Petition dismissed. Interim order passed earlier, stand vacated. Okay.
That's okay. Please, Your Lordship.
Yes,
I beg to mention item number 29.
item,
29. I've received the additional affidavit from the government today. So 2 weeks time may be granted. 29, 21, sorry. Your Lordship is item number 21.
21.
Apologies.
You're for the petitioner.
I'm for the petitioner.
You have received?
Sorry,
What did you say?
I've received the additional affidavit from the government this
Okay.
morning. So I need 2 more weeks.
Okay. Miss
Toshi Jimmer.
Lana, counsel for the petitioner submits that she has just received the additional affidavit filed by the state respondent and needs some time to go through, and pray for listing this matter after 2 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now, the prayer is allowed, list this matter after 2 weeks.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Miss Mary Lana. Miss Mary, Lana government advocate for the state respondent is also present. Okay. Oblige.
Well, please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 20 from the admission list, Your Lordship. Here, I've already filed my counter affidavit, but under court's instruction 20, Your Lordship, I'm supposed to file additional affidavit, Your Lordship, but I'm still awaiting instructions. So Your Lordship may kindly grant me 4 weeks' time, Your Lordship, to get instructions and file an additional affidavit. I have taken consent of the petitioner as well, Your Lordship.
Okay, you are for petitioner.
Yes, Lordship. On
Yes.
behalf of K. Crisino.
Learned counsel for the learned advocate appear on behalf of. You are appearing on behalf of?
K. Crisino.
Okay. Check Chris, learned counsel for the petitioner. Staff, Miss.
In Holly, Your Lordship.
And government advocate. For the state respondent. Praise father.
To file additional
The
affidavit,
father, how much time?
4 weeks, Your Lordship.
Father, 4 weeks time to file additional affidavit. This court has directed to file additional affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Is
And I-
directed by. File an additional affidavit is directed by this court. By an order dated, which order?
Your Lordship, the order is dated 4/6/2024.
Okay, 4 weeks time to obtain instruction and to file additional affidavit. Is directed by this court on.
4/6/2024.
Is paid. Come list is matter after 4 weeks. Is paid for, okay.
Much obliged, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I also beg to mention item 22, Your Lordship, on behalf of my colleague, Your Lordship. Here, the state is yet to receive instructions. So kindly grant 3 weeks' time to receive instructions and file an affidavit, Your Lordship.
Okay. Mister, you are Mister?
Manchongkonyak, appearing on
Counsel
behalf of my
Petitioner
senior
present.
as the moment.
Okay, you are on behalf of? Your name is there?
Lordship, no. I'm
Okay.
appearing on behalf of my senior, Mr. Azimum.
Okay. Appear on behalf of? And, Mr. Zimomi, Land Counsel for the petitioner, staff, Miss, her name, Praise for father,
3 weeks, Your
3
Lordship.
weeks time to obtain instruction and to file affidavit. So the prayer is allowed, list is matter after 3 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 1. Lordship, here, I pray that 3 weeks' time may be granted to obtain instruction, Your Lordship.
Okay, his name, my counsel for the petitioner is present, Ms. B. Suki Lanet, additional AG, appearing on behalf of the
Respondent
respondent
number
number
2 to 5.
2 to 5. Praise for, father, how much time?
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks time to obtain instruction and to file affidavit.
And I've already filed my affidavit.
File affidavit.
Yes.
Instruction on what?
Instruction on the status of the case.
Okay, instruction with regards to the status of the case. So, the prayer is allowed, list is matter after.
3
3
weeks,
weeks.
Your Lordship. Lordship, again, I have similar prayer in item number 2.
2.
Yes. Can you grant me 3 weeks' time to obtain on the status of the case, Your Lordship?
Lordship, so far as the time sought by my little friend is concerned, I have no objection. However, Lordship,
Hmm.
the direction of the court was to consider the grievance of the petitioner for payment of minimum base scale.
Hmm.
In terms of the principle laid down in Jagjit Singh case, reported in 2017-1 PCC. Now, in view of the documents placed on record by my little friend on last occasion,
Hmm.
whereby the chief secretary have constituted a committee
Hmm.
to look into all this issue, payment of base scale, all these things.
Hmm.
Now the issue is, who is the authority to pay the base scale to the work charge employees? Whether it's the government or the engineer in chief or the department. Therefore, Lordship, if it is the government chief secretary has to take a decision for payment of minimum base scale, chief secretary would be the necessary party. However, the direction and the repetition was to respondent number 2 and 3, that is the commissioner secretary and the engineer in chief. If the commissioner secretary and the engineer in chief are the authorities to be the minimum base scale, chief secretary is not necessary party. However, Lordship, can you check the records? Earlier question, my learned friend produced a notification dated 16/2/2024.
Can you think of then, when the matter is called?
It's item 2, right?
This item number 2 only.
Yes,
Yeah.
item number 2. Lordship, again, I pray, item number 5.
Fine.
Here also, can you allow me, 3 weeks time to obtain, on the instruction, your lordship? I'm yet to receive.
Instruction. Yeah. You have not yet filed affidavit.
No, I have not filed affidavit, no.
Okay. Miss
I'm counsel for petitioner.
Council for the petitioner is present. Miss B Sukri. Non-counsel for the respondent, sorry.
Respondent number 2 to 8, your lordship.
Additional AG appearing on behalf of respondent number 2 to
8.
8, raised for further 3 weeks time to obtain necessary instruction and to file affidavit. Counter affidavit, the prayer is allowed, list this matter after 3 weeks.
Much more.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 19, lordship. Lordship, on last occasion, we prayed for filing a reply to the affidavit imposition filed by the state lordship. However, we are not filing anymore. So if this matter can come up on 16 for admission hearing, lordship.
64.
Hearing, lordship, for admission.
So the matter is very, hearing on admission.
Lordship, in fact, we're not filing, so I think for hearing, lordship, for
Okay.
proper hearing, yes.
Miss Mika HL, Lana Council for the petitioner and Mr. Okay.
Yes, for the state.
Okay, for the state respondent. Yes. It is submitted that the matter is ready for hearing. List this matter after
On 16,
on
lordship,
16.
of this month, yes, lordship.
Okay. Is prayed for by the Lana Council for the petitioner. List this matter on 16 for hearing. Okay,
Lordship, there is an interim.
stop. The interim order pass earlier shall continue till then.
Much obliged.
Nice. From the supplementary cost list for motion, item numbers 7 to 18.
Lordship, likely the applicant counsel has not come.
Okay. Whatever you have any objection? There is
For
record-
deleting the name?
Yes,
No, Lordship.
then you can pass order also.
Lordship. Since she appears to have passed,
And she has already been appointed.
Lordship,
Her resignation has been accepted.
Lordship.
He has been released.
Respondent number 10.
Okay.
So showing the OCP.
By filing this application, the applicant submit, applicant contended that she has been arrayed as correspondent number 10 in the connected with petition number 196, 2023. Stop. However, during the pendency of this petition, comma, she has no, read petition challenging her appointment. No? In the earlier sentence, arrayed is respondent number 10 in connected with petition number, thereafter challenging her appointment. Her appointment was as a
Lordship, appointment through backdoor.
appointment age. Appointment
Age.
and her appointment. She was appointed as assistant.
Professor.
Okay, assistant professor in sociology at Dimapur Government College, Dimapur. Stop.
Without advertisement.
Without
Without advertisement.
Without
That is through
advertisement.
backdoor.
Stop, However, during the pendency of this writ petition, the applicant respondent number 10 has tendered her resignation from the post of post of assistant professor in sociology, Dimapur Government College on 30/11/2023, which was accepted by the authority by an order dated, order number HTE/ESTT/8-67/2023 within bracket part, bracket close, dated 18/3/2024. And stop. And since she has already resigned the said post, she is she is not a necessary, no more a necessary party, and as such, the writ petition number 196/2023 has become infructuous in with regard in respect of the respondent number 10. Stop. Hence, pray for deletion of her name from the array of the name from the writ petition. Stop. The Miss Jimomi, Miss Jimomi, Land Council for J. Jimomi, Land Council for the petitioner, and Miss, you are Miss,
National,
you are for state respondent.
for some respondent in, their
She is not involved.
Okay.
Actually, the
Government is also party.
government is also a party.
Okay, has no objection to the said prayer made by the Land Council for the applicant respondent number 10. In view of the above, the prayer is also the prayer for deletion of the name of the respondent number 10, Miss. What is her name? Sasirenla Ozukum is allowed and allowed. Accordingly, her name may be deleted from the array of the deleted from the WPC number 196/2023. Stop. With the above this, I stands disposed of in the main, in view of the order pass in IA number 114 today, the name of Srimati Sasirenla Ozukum, respondent number 10. Let the name of Srimati Sasirenla Ozukum, respondent number 10, be deleted and struck off from the writ petition, from this petition as respondent number 10. Okay, stop. The registry shall do the needful. Stop. Huh? So matter is to be listed. Okay.
Lordship, previously there is
What is the last order?
the last order.
What was passed in? This is to be listed after 3 weeks. Okay.
Lordship, this is on 14/6,
Okay.
24.
Miss Judge Zimomi, Land Council for the petitioner, and Miss Harnema, Land Council for the respondent are present. Stop as parade, list this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
For admission, item number 2.
Yes. Item 2.
Last occasion, Lordship, Millennium Friend produced the notification dated 16/2/2024.
Okay, the government has constituted a committee.
Yes. This order is 16/2/2024, Lordship.
So, okay, she was to produce, she was to obtain necessary instruction.
Yes. Lordship, this notification was issued by Chief Secretary, Lordship.
Notification for, what notification?
The constitution of the,
Okay, that was issued by
By
the
the Chief Secretary.
Okay.
Whether that notification is available before Lordship?
Constitution of the committee,
Yes. If not, I'm not mistaken, Millennium Friend.
in a loose paper or in the
the
petition?
newspaper, your lordship.
Lost paper, Lordship.
Your lordship may peruse this one,
It's not there. Yes. Chief
Yes.
Secretary to the.
Chief
no,
Secretary, Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, may kindly come to beach 19 of the contempt petition.
19.
Beach 19.
Yes,
This is the order against which I filed the contempt. Lordship, first, respondent number 1 is the Chief Secretary.
yes,
2, Secretary to the Government of Nagaland Works and Housing. Number 3, Engineer in Chief. Come to Lordship, page 22.
yes.
Paragraph 5. In view of what has been stated of this court of is of the view that the imbued letter that is issue of the engineer in chief is liable to be citizen quash. Accordingly, it is quashed and set aside. And in consequence, respondent number 2 and 3 are once again directed to consider case of the petition in the light of the facts and circumstances and the principle laid down stated above. So direction was to respondent number 2 and 3. That is the secretary and engineer in chief. Now, Lordship, the issue is, who is the authority to be the minimum base skill to the petitioner? it is the respondent number 2 entry or the chief secretary. The notification which my learned friend produced to your lordship is a general notification covering all the departments for consideration of the bay and other aspects connected with work charge fixed fee employees. Therefore, lordship, I'm not objecting to the time sought for by my learned friend. However, the respondent should come with a clear instruction. Who is the authority to grant minimum pay scale?
For that matter, your lordship, the committee are looking into the matter.
No, lordship.
The
That is
committee
the chief
has-
secretary.
Committee has been constituted, but right after that, because of the parliamentary election as well as the ULB election, your lordship, they could not sat earlier, your lordship. But now, your lordship, they've been asking from different departments as to how many casuals and fixed pay employees are present at right now. They are studying into the matter.
Why, lordship, why I'm submitting this is that there are many instances where the engineering chief and the commission secretary have granted minimum pay scale to the work charge employees. That is why I'm submitting that my learned friend should directed to come with a clear instruction. Who is the authority to grant the minimum? pay?
They are not denying, or they are not saying that your case will not be considered.
Yes,
It will be
lordship.
considered, and then accordingly, the committee constituted. And your purpose will be served if this committee considered your case. And then on the basis of the consideration, if this authority, respondent number 2 and 3, direct for your appointment, and that purpose perhaps will be served. Now, we may not be at this stage,
Lordship.
going to that who has the authority or
Lordship.
not, because your case is under consideration by the government itself. And then, of course, this respondent number 2 and 3 finally will be issued, probably, the appointment, if it is considered. The order they will issue this respondent number 2 and 3 to whom
Lordship.
this court has directed. But then as a whole, the government is looking after and then considering your case. Final authority who is to issue is probably the respondent number 2 or 3.
Yes,
Lordship.
So the government is considering, so we are, I think, I don't think that this question is necessary to decide at this stage. Because what they are doing is they are considering the case as per the direction of this court. Only they think, of course, they are making some delay.
Lordship.
So you need,
3 weeks time, your lordship.
so because 2 weeks time,
3 weeks, your lordship.
3 weeks,
Mm.
3 weeks time. So in the earlier occasion also, supposing if you
Because
are
your
really
lordship-
obtaining, if you are really obtaining instruction, so that you should first obtain instruction as to how much time you should ask from the court. Because every time asking time also. will not-
Lordship,
because-
I understand for
Mm.
that. But your lordship, here the committee is not only looking into
No,
the
that
case
is why
of
I'm
the-
saying, that
it's
is why I'm
looking
saying.
into the whole of the
Mm.
state of Nagaland where it amounts to 10,000 plus, your
Mm.
lordship. So your lordship, it's taking time. So your lordship, can you grant me 3 weeks so that what is the status? I can update to you on the next occasion, your lordship.
Mm. Okay, so, Mr. Wati Jamit, Land Council for the petitioner, staff. Ms. V. Sukre, Land Additional AG. Nagaland. Praise for Father, 3 weeks time. To place the necessary. Place the necessary instruction. So your submission today is that you are,
He's not objecting to that, me asking for time. your lordship.
yes, yes.
Mm.
Okay, further 3 weeks' time to obtain necessary instruction and to place before this court.
No, your lordship, I
Okay,
don't know
that's the
how,
instruction.
it's just the instruction, your lordship.
With regards to the progress of the committee.
Lordship, yes.
Committee which has been constituted to look after the matter regarding payment of minimum scale of pay to the contractual employees, including the case of the petitioner. Start. Okay. The 3 weeks for the time is granted to the state respondent. Okay, list this matter after 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
Obliged.
For admission, item number 3.
Lordship, I've received a copy of the account affidavit only today filed by the state respondent. So if Lordship may kindly grant 3 weeks time to file reply if necessary.
Okay, your Miss,
Ms. Terchila, appearing on behalf of my senior TV Jamir.
okay, appearing on behalf of Mr. TV Jamil, Land Council for the petitioner, submits that she had just received a copy of the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondent and needs some, and prays for some time to go through the same and to file reply, if so, advise. The prayer is allowed. Please this matter after
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay, Mr. Moim Chandlan Council, senior government advocate is present on behalf of the state respondent. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship. For admission, item number 4.
Your lordship, and for the state,
Yes.
as per the last court order on 4/7/2024, I was instructed to provide instructions. And I've received from the department, your lordship.
Lordship, here as per the last order, this honorable court has directed the state respondent to clarify as to whether the post held by respondent number 6 is reserved for compassionate appointment. Lordship, here I'm praying for compassionate appointment as well as I'm challenging the appointment order of respondent number 6.
The point for clarification is in number 4.
Four.
That, yes, 4 is the answer to the query of the court, your lordship.
Prior to the filing of the petition. Okay, that means the prior to the filling up of the present writ petition.
Yes.
Petition,
So, your lordship, as per this para 4, Only after the application forwarded by the petitioner, they are maintaining the seniority list. So it implies that in the department, till up to now, no compassionate appointment has been appointed. And I have already submitted my application in the year 2020 after the demise of my late husband. And the very purpose of the scheme, your lordship is well known that, is to maintain the families of the deceased. And now it's already 2024. And the respondent authority have appointed the private respondent number 6 without any selection process.
The respondent was appointed on what basis?
Through vector, lordship.
Hmm?
Through vector, without any selection process. The post was never advertised. And his name was not in the seniority list as well, or not in the list as well.
Not
Here-
in the list.
Yes, he has never submitted his application also. In fact, I was at serial number 1 in the waiting list. But they have sidelined my seniority and appoint the private respondent number 6.
You have submitted the application when?
Uh,
Where is the seniority list?
on 2020, after the demise of my late husband.
Just a minute, huh? Where is the seniority list? Just.
Seniority list as a government affidavit,
Oh, government affidavit.
annexure A. Page 6.
Where is the impugn order? Just once.
He said page 21 in my petition, annexure D. Type copy is at page 23. Twenty-one is the approval order and 24 is the appointment order. Page 24.
Is there any stay thereafter? No
No,
stay.
no,
No
no
stay,
stay.
Your Lordship.
Okay.
And Lordship can kindly come to page 18 of my petition.
Just a minute. So this matter otherwise is ready for hearing.
Yes, it's already part
Part-
heard.
Part heard
Yes,
by Justice.
by
Brother
justice. yes.
Okay,
Yes, Your Honor.
so you want this matter to be
Yes.
placed before him.
No, we want this matter to be
Then you
disposed.
have to start over again, over and
No,
again.
Lordship, this matter is short matter and very simple.
Ah.
In fact, see, after the demise of my late husband, I have submitted my application
Hmm,
for appointment on compassionate ground.
hmm.
And my application is at page 18. And thereafter, the director, Land Records Survey, has forwarded my application to the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of
Page
Nagaland.
18 is, what is this?
Forwarded
This is-
my
this is
application. Yes, it's at page 19.
Or what is 18 you say? Prayer for appointment to, okay.
Page-
19 is,
Is the forwarding letter by the director.
you have made application to the director,
Yes. The director has forwarded my application
to the commissioner,
to the Commissioner.
okay.
And accordingly, page 20, I was at serial number 1. My name was recommended and at serial number 1. However, in spite of appointing me,
Serial number 1 is,
yes, Srimati S. Bijukpom, it's me,
Srimati,
Bijukpom,
okay,
yes.
1.
So in spite of my name being recommended during the
Just. Okay. Who forwarded this? Okay, this is list or lists. Where is the other page? Next page of this,
next page is the approval of the private
No,
response
no,
number
no, no.
6.
the page 20, come to page 20. Who forwarded this?
This was forwarded by the director.
Where is his name?
19 and 20 is the continuation.
19 and 20?
Yes.
Okay,
By the director, Land Records and Survey. However, in spite of my name being approved by impugned approval letter dated 6 January
no,
2023,
where is approval?
that page 21,
Okay.
private respondent number 6. Was-
This is approval
Yes. Type copy is at page 23.
for appointment. Yeah, page 23.
Yes,
21 and 22 is a continuation.
yes, continuation.
Okay.
So here beyond
Which one is type copy?
page 23,
Type copy of which one?
type copy of
The
page
22.
22.
No, no, just let us see the page 21. Approval for appointment.
Lordship can clearly see this has the approval of the Honorable Minister. Land Records dated 5th January 2023. His name was approved because of the recommendation of the concerned minister of the said department.
Your name is serial number? What, which one is you? Your name, page 23?
No, this,
Which one is you?
I'm not here, Lordship.
Not here.
Yes, this is the approval of the private respondent number 6.
Okay, this.
So I'm challenging the approval order as well as his appointment order. So his name was approved on the recommendation of the minister of the said department. He has never submitted his application, and even if he has
Which one is respondent?
beyond serial number 2,
Serial number 2.
Shri Pongji Pom. He was appointed against the vacancy arose to my late husband, Shri Lakba Pom.
This was done on which date? January.
January,
And your name was forwarded
on 19th of May.
May 22. And 24 is appointment.
Yes, 24 is his appointment.
So these posts are to be, according to you,
Yes.
either appoint you or to
Or
issue
advertised.
advertisement.
Yes, Lordship, because the appointment of private respondent number 6 is in violation of Article 16 of the Constitution of India, as well as in violation of Office Memorandum dated 4/6/2016.
Have you annexed the RR?
Lordship,
Have you annexed the RR of the department? That it is either to be, it is to be advertised.
yes.
Where is it?
No, Lordship, here I've already placed an office memorandum that is in my affidavit. In my affidavit in reply.
Affidavit in reply.
Yes. Page 7, annexure A. So the appointment of private respondent number 6 is in violation of this office memorandum. Page 7, annexure A. My affidavit in reply to respondent, private respondent number 6.
Page 7.
Page 7.
What is this?
So, also this office memorandum was passed on 4th of June 2016, and the relevant para is at para 4.
Yes.
Also, may I read?
Yes.
Para 4. All vacancies in the above posts occurring in the districts, accepting the grade 3 posts to be filled up by the heads of departments shall be filled up through open advertisement, and a district selection committee shall be constituted by the respective deputy commissioners. The selection committee will be headed by the deputy commissioner and will include 2 district levels, head of office, an administrative officer, and a principal or senior lecturer of local college to be nominated by the deputy commissioner. The committee shall follow the reservation policy for persons with disabilities in respect of grade 3 and grade 4 posts, and the reservation policy for backward tribes in respect of grade 3 posts, except in the case of Gauhati's posts. This is with regard to grade 3 posts. And however, all appointment orders in respect of grade 4 posts, excepting those under the district administration, will be issued by the respective head of departments of the recommendation of the district selection committee. So as per the OEM, no advertisement has been made, no selection process has been done. And only basing on the recommendation of the minister, concerned minister, private respondent number 6 was
And if we
appointed.
go by this, then you are also not entitled?
No, Lordship, I am entitled.
How?
As per the compassionate scheme,
Okay, let us see the compensation scheme.
it's in my petition, page 12.
Yes.
Yes. Revised compassionate appointment scheme for state government employees who die in harness.
Hmm.
In supersession of this department's office memorandum of even number dated 16/6/2012, the governor of Nagaland is pleased to revise the existing scheme for appointment on compassionate ground of family member of the state government employees who die in harness as per guidelines enumerated below. Appointment on compassionate grounds shall be given only to one of the following members of deceased employees' family. A is spouse or son or daughter only. Para 3, appointment on compassionate grounds shall be made only on a regular basis to direct recruit posts and only if regular vacancies meant for that purpose are available in that department where the deceased government employee was serving. Applicant shall have no claim to appoint under this scheme in any other department other than the department where the deceased employee was serving. However, this is not relevant, but however, for the NCS official, the appointment may be considered under establishment of the Commissioner Nagaland or the Nagaland Civil Secretary. So para 4, commissioner appointments may be made to the post falling under the combined direct recruitment quota of Group C or D. The ceiling for compassionate appointment of 5% of the direct recruitment vacancies in Group C and D posts has been done away.
So done away.
Yes, has been done away with provided such appointment do not exceed 50% of the vacancies during a year. So here it's clearly stated 50% during a year. So my late husband died in harness in the year 2020.
How many posts were vacant at that time?
Lordship, the state will be best to reply on that. However, my late husband died in the year 2020, and I've submitted my application for appointment on compassionate. And in fact, my application was forwarded and I was recommended by the Director of Land Records. And it's,
So any other person in the department has been appointed? So what was the post existence, whether it comes under the 50%,
yes,
we need to know. Isn't it?
Lordship, it comes under the
Because
50%.
If it doesn't comes under 50%, you may also not be entitled.
But
So what was the
Yes, Your Lordship.
existing post at that time?
This post, this particular post that the petitioner is talking about,
Hmm.
the department has clarified on by its letter which I placed before your
This one?
Lordship. Yes,
The present one?
yes, that this particular post is not reserved for compassionate appointment.
Okay,
Yes,
then it has to be
yes.
advertised.
Yes.
Lordship,
But and
By mere
per-
later they cannot,
Just a minute.
they have to place the records.
No,
How many appointment has been made?
So where do we find that this doesn't fall under the compassionate appointment? Para 4,
yes, your lordship, in my,
prior to, where
not para 4, lordship, the order that I placed before your lordship,
order?
the letter instruction from the department, your
Letter
lordship,
5th July.
dated 5th
Yes,
July.
yes, and para, which para?
4,
Para 4.
yes, your lordship.
Let us read, let us read.
Prior to filling of the present writ petition by Srimati Bichok Form, no reservation for compassionate appointment as such were maintained by the department. It is only after the present petition that the Department of Land Records and Survey has started to maintain reservation for compassionate appointment as per the Personal and Administrative Reforms Department, OM. And
No, as per the scheme,
as per the scheme, this is
that
the,
compassionate
yes,
scheme, just we have read. This annexure in the additional
Okay.
affidavit, as per this 50%.
yes, your lordship.
50% for the compassionate appointment. Now we need to know what was the existing post at the time of the appointment of the respondent.
At the time when the
Where-
petitioner late husband died. And when
Let us-
petitioner submitted,
Or at the time when the respondent was appointed, how many posts were vacant existing at that time?
That I have no clear information, your lordship.
Because if you claim that it doesn't fall under the compassionate scheme, it doesn't fall under the 50%. Then we need to know what was the existing post at that time. And whether it falls under in any case, the respondent would not be entitled.
Yeah.
Because if it fall under the compassionate post, under the 50% for the compassionate appointment, then it will go to the petitioner. And if it falls under, it doesn't falls under that, then it will have to be, this
advertised.
post has to be advertised. So the existing post, whether you have in your affidavit, have you stated that?
No, your lordship, I have not.
And probably this is necessary now.
Your lordship.
Hmm.
and they have to submit before this court with reports, not
No,
by just.
so these along with that, with instruction or along with that, the existing post, file in affidavit, additional affidavit
Your lordship.
by 1 or 2 weeks.
3 weeks, your lordship. I'll have to seek instruction from the department again, your lordship.
So then in that case, if the government claims like that, if the government claims that it doesn't fall under 50%.
Since it's already 4 years and I have to look after my minor childrens, 3 minor childrens.
No, you see, they could have appointed you, even those were vacant. Anyway, Mr. Your good name.
Yes,
Non-counsel
Simlo.
for the petitioner is present, staff. Mr. Moseman, you are for respondent, Mr. Mo. Okay. Mr. Mokem, sir, Long Kumalana government advocate. So, yes, you are saying now this is not falls under the post is not reserved, falls under the reserve for reserve quota for the compassionate appointment.
Yes, your
And you
lordship.
have to show the vacancy post position.
Yes, your lordship.
Lordship, one thing, from the day I have submitted my application, that is 2020. The day my late husband died in harness. Because from 2020 till up to 2024, now it's 2024. So from 2020 till up to 2024,
Now-
how
now-
many posts have been lying vacant in the said department.
Now the government will clarify that. Okay. Mr. Masum Salam Kumar, the government advocate. Placed while placing letter dated 5/7/2024 issued by Under Secretary to the Government of Nagaland. Submits that and then placed request and submits that the post against
Lordship,
which the respondent number 6
Lordship, I want to intervene.
has been appointed
Lordship,
doesn't fall within the quota meant for compassionate.
Lordship,
Yes, appointment. Just
Lordship,
wait,
can you come to page
Mm.
20? There are lots of vacancy here.
Just wait. How do you know?
Because as per the record of 19 May 2022, page 20 of my petition. Forwarding of application for appointment to the post of Group D, that is grade 4, under the department, Pion Chokidar.
Where?
Serial number 1, that is application against Sri L. Lakpa Pion Longland, who expired on 9/11/2020. So after the expiry, one post has been vacant.
Now we do not
Beyond.
know exact vacant.
And 2 is application against Sri Vesusai Churha Pion Pek, who retired on 3/5/2022. And 3, application against Sri Satong Se Chokidar Tuinsang, who retired on 28/2/2022. So several vacancies has been arose, 4, 5. 4, also application against Sri Soma Sharma Chokidar Dimapur, who expired on 26/5/2021. And 5th is application against Sri
Of the above,
Toshimangla.
the government advocate shall obtain instruction as to what was the vacancy position on the vacancy position in the department at the time of vacancy position in the time of the appointment of the respondent number 6. No, from the date of expiry of the when he expired.
On
When
9/11,
when you made an application.
9/11/2020.
Okay.
This
The
let us
vacancy
expired
position
on
from 9/11/2020
20.
to when the respondent was appointed.
10 January,
Okay, 10 from 9/11/2020 to 10
January 2023.
January 23. And file an affidavit. Okay. This from this period 2022-23. File an affidavit.
Yes.
So then we'll decide. Okay. File an affidavit, Release this matter after 3 weeks.
Gotcha. Oblige.
Okay.
So. Mas pode sofrer pelo nariz. Itulah, itulah paman ada.
Boleh dah juga.
Biar.